on the Sand, a series created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Pritchard by the Oxford Reading Tree. Biff and Chip played on the sand. Dad went to sleep. Biff and Chip put sand on Dad. They made a sand castle. They put Dad's hat on top. They went to get an ice cream. Dad was still asleep. Chip looked at the donkeys. Biff looked at the boat. They looked at the go-karts. They looked at Dad's hat. "Oh no!" said Biff. Dad was hiding. Biff was cross. Why do you think Biff was cross? I think Dad caught them by surprise. The hat was on a stick. The end. Thank you for watching the video. If you're my returning subscriber, thanks a lot, guys. And if you're new here, do hit the subscribe and like button so you don't miss any new videos from my side. Also, do remember to comment in the comment sections on any video you want me to make next time. Till then, take care and bye. The next story is going to be the egg hunt.